Have you ever struggled with getting a car to move smoothly? The struggle is real, but it doesn't have to persist. Here are 3 tips to help you become a pedal control guru. Tip 1. Place your heel on the floor between the go and the stop pedals. Now stop looking at your foot. Pivot your foot to touch one pedal at a time. To go, pivot your foot right and push down. To stop, pivot your foot to the left. Push the pedal with the ball of your foot, much like a drummer uses the foot pedals on a kick drum. Boom, boom. When you push any pedal, do it smoothly and progressively. Your heel should be in contact with the floor of the car. This heel contact will stabilize your foot and allow smooth application of pressure. With the right approach, you can overcome almost anything. Get more tips on this topic at mullinsdrivingschool.com.